It's raining, and as you breathe in the fresh, earthy air, you can't help but smile. As you continue walking, you continue to wonder, why does rain smell so fresh and earthy? It's not just water, it's science. And that smell is called petrichor. And there's someone behind it. Guess who? It's the actinobacteria. It's there in the soil. This little guy produces a VOC, volatile organic compound, which is geosmin. Geosmin is one of the primary reasons behind that petrichor smell you love. But it stays trapped within the soil, within the air spaces, until the mighty water comes saves us. When raindrops hit the dry soil, tiny air bubbles rise up, bursting and releasing geosmin into the air. And we humans have a nose which is extremely sensitive to geosmin. Yes, you guessed it right. And did you know? Some scientists believe our sensitivity to geosmin is an evolutionary trait. Guess why? You know why? Because it may have helped early humans locate fresh water sources. And certain animals, like camels, also have a strong ability to detect geosmin, likely for the same reason, which allows us to smell that fresh, earthy smell, which I now told you is called petrichor. So next time it rains, take a deep breath. You're smelling nature's hidden chemistry. See you in the next video of biology around you.
Bye!